This is Bellagio Hotel. We're here. We're waiting for the water fountain show. Nikit nga eh.
Siak. Bellagio.
Bellagio.
Ay no, tumatas na yung kwan, no?
Then missing.
Kita niya?
Oh, you know. Oh my God.
Ay, tumas na yung kwan, mga fountain, no?
We're about to start.
Oh, wow. Asam ka na kapay? An hour?
Nakita na namin tumaas yung mga whatever you call that. Ayun yung mag-water show mamaya. La 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 la. Hold me now, oh, all night long. Zing. Mag-move ka ng konti sa ano. Para makasingit siya. Kasi may magandang dalaga sa tabi ni Zing.
Mapunta pa tayo. Meron pa ba dyan?
Sino ka Zing?
May space pa ba dyan? Para makasingit siya.
Para makasingit yung magandang dalaga. Diba? Ayun yung magandang dalaga, oh. Alright, here we go. Sana wag malaglag tong video cam ko. There you go. Ha? Yan. Up. Ayan. May bata. Yeah, mababait kami eh. Yeah! Woo! Nice!
Babe, why don't we paint the town? And all that jazz, I'm gonna rouge my knees and roll my stockings down. And all that jazz, start the car. I know a whooping spot where the gin is cold, but the piano's hot. It's just a noisy hall where there's a nightly brawl and all there.
Oh my gosh.
And all that jazz. And all that shoes and all that jazz. I hear that Father Dick is gonna blow the blues. And all that jazz. Hold on, hun, we're gonna bunny hut. I bought some aspirin down at United Drug in case you shake up hard. I want a brand new start to do that. Shit.
Okay. Okay. Zing.
Galing.
Ganda ba?
Oh, that's I'm impressed. I'm impressed. That was good.
Okay, say goodbye na sa Bellagio.